Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So in this video today, we have a collaboration and it's called the 12 Days of Christmas Countdown by the Queens of Christmas Holiday Decor Club, and that's hosted by Glam Elegant Living. I will be linking the host and the co-host channels down below in the description box along with the playlist. So make sure and head on over there, subscribe to our channels, full watch the videos, and make sure and you head on over to that playlist so that you can get as many decor ideas for the holiday season that's quickly approaching. So what do I have for you today? I have for you an ornament wreath. Now, I think that no occasion should go without a wreath, and especially at your front door. So this greets you with the holiday as soon as you approach the door. I have always wanted to make these wreaths, and they look so beautiful, so elegant, and they just put a smile on my face. So let's jump into the video so that I can show you how I put mine together. So after we got done with the ornament wreath, I went ahead and moved that over to the side. And now we're going to be starting off with the embellishing. We're going to start out here first with the bow with items that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. Look how beautiful that bow looks. It looks gorgeous. So now we're going to move on to the next step. So this wreath is coming together beautifully. Now we're going to go ahead and attach the bow. So that's what I'm doing here. So this is the end result of the ornament wreath. It is gorgeous. So I do want to thank the hosts and the co-hostesses for this collaboration. And make sure and head on over to that playlist so that you can get as many ideas as possible for the holiday season. And I hope this is one of them. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys.